Today we're going to make this easy paper gnome leaf craft.
For today's craft, you are going to need some scissors, some glue, a pencil, and some paper. I am using all fall colors. Let me just show you my other gnome here. So for this gnome, I used a lot of yellow. For the leaf, I used a little bit of orange for the nose, and the hat was red. Today, I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to use orange for my leaf, and I'm going to use red for my nose, and I'm going to use yellow for my hat. So you're going to think about the colors that you would like to use, choose whatever colors you would like, and then let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is choose the color you would like for the main part of your gnome, and that's the leaf. And today I'm going to go with orange. Now leaves look very different in the fall and all different shapes, so there is no right or wrong for this leaf. What I would suggest though is trying to make it a little bit larger because it's easier to cut and then it will be easier to glue on. So I'm going to show you how I'm drawing my leaf. Here's the top middle of my page. I'm going to jump over a little bit and I'm going to start right here. So you can see here maybe about 3 finger spaces in, and I am going to draw a curve. So I'm going to draw a curve that comes around and in. So watch this here. I'm going to curve it around and then come back in. And then I'm going to do the same thing, but this curve is going to come down a little bit more. So I'm going to come down, I'm going to curve around and in. I'm going to do it again here. I'm going to curve and in. And then I'm going to make a little long one down here. So come all the way to the bottom. Now there is no right. You can just keep curving. And I'm going to do the same thing going the other way. So I'm going to come and curve. And I don't need to make this symmetrical. It means it doesn't have to be the same on one side as the other. You can if you want. But I find that it works both ways. And I'm just going to curve back up. And remember we had about 3 finger spaces, so here is about 3 finger spaces where I stopped. So there we go, we have our leaf. I am now going to cut it out. Don't worry about the shape of yours, make it any shape you want, and then cut your leaf out. Okay, my leaf is ready, and now I'm ready for the hat. So the hat is going to go over the top of my leaf. So I'm just going to take my yellow, because that's the color I'm using for my hat. I'm just going to layer it so you can see here's the top. I'm going to just put it over a little bit because I want the hat to fit nice and snugly. I'm just going to put a little bit over top here. And then I can mark off where my leaf starts here and where my leaf ends here. And that's where I'm going to start my hat and finish my hat. And the hat can be any size. It can be this whole piece of paper. It can be small. It can be wiggly. It's whatever you want. So I'm just going to take my hat. I'm going to start from here. I'm going to curve up. And I think I'm going to go a little bit to the left here. And then I'm going to curve around here. I'm going to come in a little bit and then back out. Whoops. I want to match up that line, so I have to be a little careful here. Let's try that again. Gonna come up to this line here and I want to match it up, so I just have to change my hat a little bit there. And that's the beauty of using a pencil. You can just erase. There, I have quite a big hat there, but I think I like it. So choose the shape you would like for your hat. You could even just do a triangle, just come right up and right down. So you can just do that, absolutely. Then while I'm here, I'm going to make my nose. And my nose is an oval, and the nose is going to go right here. I want it to match my craft. So if I've made a smaller leaf, then I'll have a smaller nose. Here I think I will make a nose about this size. I can always trim it after if I don't like it, but I think that's okay. So that's going to be my nose. That's going to be my hat. I am going to cut those out. Now that I've everything cut out, I am ready to glue. So you can see if I just put it like that, it doesn't fit. That is okay. Remember, we put it over the edge a tiny little bit, so you just find where it's going to fit, where it's going to match up. That's where you're going to glue it. So go ahead, find where your leaf matches up with your hat, put a bit of glue on the tip, and then glue that down. And if it didn't work, trim it or start again. It's okay. It's okay. And then you're going to take your nose, And, oh, you should probably make sure it's the right size first before you put glue on it. And then you're gonna layer it. So you can see half my nose is on top and half my nose is a little bit below. And it's also in the middle. And there we go, we have our cute gnome. And you can see here they come in different sizes. So this was a smaller leaf, a bigger leaf, and different colors. I hope you like this craft. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.